Hello friends, this is a project we need to participate in. As you can see, it is Cyberethanol, and you can see their official Twitter handle. They have about 27.9k followers, and it's a gaming platform. So all we have to do, you can see the instructions. Click on link, enter email address, choose any password, click mint, follow Twitter, come back to mint daily for 6 days. So how are we to do it? Come here, click this link. So this interface opens up. All you have to do is to input your email and choose a password, then click start. So once you input your email and your password, click start. And here it is. So all we have to do, just like blood loop, come here daily, but this one is for 6 days. Click mint. Follow us on Twitter to open. So click this, go, takes you to their Twitter. All you have to do is to follow them. So once it opens up, all you have to do is to click follow, then come back to the page, and you can see we wait for 24 hours to complete the second day mint. So this is all we have to do. Register. To get a referral link, you can below the timer, just click here, copy referral link and share it with your friends and families. So come again your way next time. Remain blessed.